The Great Barrier Reef, a natural wonder and the largest living structure on Earth, is facing an unprecedented crisis as it experiences record levels of coral bleaching due to rising ocean temperatures. A recent report from the Australian government reveals alarming findings about the health of this vital ecosystem, highlighting a significant decline in coral cover attributed to heat stress caused by climate change. In a comprehensive survey conducted by the Australian Institute of Marine Science, AIMS, between August 2024 and May 2025, researchers discovered that the extent of coral bleaching was the most severe since monitoring began in 1986. This widespread bleaching event is primarily linked to the increasing temperatures of the oceans, which have reached alarming highs in 2024. The report indicates that coral coverage in the southernmost regions of the reef has plummeted by nearly one-third, now standing at a mere 26.9%. This decline is particularly concerning as the southern reefs have recorded their highest levels of heat stress to date. The authors of the study noted that the reductions in coral health observed in both the northern and southern sections of the reef represent the most significant annual losses since monitoring commenced nearly 4 decades ago. The Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,300 kilometers, approximately 1,400 miles, and is renowned for its incredible biodiversity, hosting around 400 species of coral, 1,500 species of fish, 4,000 types of mollusks, and 240 bird species, along with iconic creatures like the dugong and the green turtle. Professor Selena Stead, CEO of AIMS, emphasized the increasing intensity and frequency of mass bleaching events, stating that the future of coral reefs globally hinges on substantial reductions in greenhouse gas emissions. She also pointed out the necessity of managing local environmental pressures to aid the reefs in adapting to and recovering from the impacts of climate change. UNESCO recognizes the Great Barrier Reef as a World Heritage Site, underscoring its ecological significance. However, there is a contentious debate surrounding its status, as United Nations experts advocate for its classification as a site in danger. In contrast, the Australian government has actively campaigned against this designation, fearing it could jeopardize the billions of dollars generated from tourism each year. A recent report from Australia's Climate Change Authority suggests that protecting the Great Barrier Reef from the adverse effects of climate change could involve major fossil fuel exporting nations transitioning to low and zero-emission alternatives. Additionally, it calls for more robust actions to address climate pollutants like methane, which significantly contribute to short-term global warming. Despite these recommendations, Australia continues to be a leading exporter of fossil fuels, including coal from the controversial Adani coal mine, which is transported through waters adjacent to the Great Barrier Reef. The report also highlights that approximately 93% of the excess heat in the atmosphere has been absorbed by the oceans, with ocean temperatures in 2024 surpassing the previous record set in 2023. This situation raises critical questions about the balance between economic interests and environmental preservation. How can we ensure the protection of such a vital ecosystem while also considering the economic implications for local communities? What steps should be taken to address the ongoing threats to the Great Barrier Reef? We invite you to share your thoughts and engage in this important conversation.